Welcome to Shop TV. We are your hosts. I am Janina Van Hoven.
And my name is Mon Gualvez.
Now, Mon, can I share with you a problem I have at home? When it comes to home repairs, talagang nahihirapan ako because those manual and those power tools, they're so difficult to use. Bakit they're so heavy? I'm so afraid that they're gonna damage all of my delicate surfaces. So talagang I always have to call a handyman. So I want a product that answers all of those questions.
Nako, Janina, don't worry because Shop TV has an answer and has a product that will make your home repairs a lot easier na talagang kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, kaya mo nang gawin. This is the Tim & Brown wireless hammer drill set na talaga namang very lightweight at it has this cordless body so you don't need to plug it when using. At the same time, if you're going to compare it with the common hammer drills na talaga namang very big and bulky, this one is really compact, this Tim & Brown hammer drill. At despite of its smaller size, it still has this lithium-ion 1,500 milliamperes of batteries na talaga namang very powerful and long-lasting. At it also has this 18 volts power capacity. Ang maganda pa rito, it also has a feature na 1 hour fast charging lang, di ba? Compared it with other common power tools na it will take you 5 hours para ma-fully charge yon. At the same time, it has this strong torque with impact functions na meron siyang 15 plus 2 na adjustable settings, di ba? Either drill or hammer mode, pwedeng-pwede. At the same time, meron naman siyang integrated LED light. So you can use it anytime, anywhere, even in low light areas. At ang maganda pa, meron din siyang 2-speed switches para it allows you to work more rapidly at talagang mas precise yung drilling. At the same time, meron din siyang battery indicator. Ayan, para alam mo kung gaano karami pa at gaano katagal mo pa siya pwedeng gamitin. At eto pa, meron din siyang USB port that you can use it for your mobile devices or other gadgets.
Wow, it really has so many features. Alam mo, I'm so excited because we are offering a free Tim & Brown screwdriver which has all the features. Unang-una, it's lightweight and compact. Second, meron din siyang lithium-ion battery. Third, it also has the torque adjustment rings with 15 plus 1 different settings. And it has a sleeve chuck. Now, what does this do? This secures your screws, your bolts, your bits, so it provides safety. Meron din siyang twistable movement. So this allows you to choose between a safety gun or you can choose this feature where it's straight position. So this is perfect for yung mga hard-to-reach areas. And it has a flexible bit which allows you to reach yung mga crevices or corners, all of those really tight spaces. So talagang ang daming features nito. Plus, the great thing is, it has an integrated work light and it has an integrated flashlight.
Wow!
Galing! So ang daming features nito, no?
So guys, you can get this Tim & Brown screwdriver set as a freebie together with this Tim & Brown hammer drill set for a Shop TV exclusive price of 5,995 pesos only. At dahil gusto namin makuha mo na to kagad, we offer it for 3 easy payments of 1,998 pesos with all of these accessories.
Yes! Alam mo, I'm so excited to see this in action. So here we have Mr. Tim from Korea. Annyeonghaseyo. Hello. Yes,
So dito
you will
malalaman natin
demonstrate to us how it works.
Exactly. Saan ba pwedeng gamitin itong ating Tim & Brown hammer drills?
Yes.
So we have here an alloy steel kind of material. Wow, talagang matigas yan because this is a rim of a tire wheel, di ba?
Nako, I wonder if it will really penetrate this one. Try natin. Let's see, ha?
Of course, it will because it has a strong torque
Oh my
with impact
goodness!
functions that can penetrate even the hardest material just like a steel, di
Wow,
ba?
talking about hard material, another one is mga front door steels, di ba? Let's say if you want to add another door lock or, you know, whatever else you have, this is really steel. Now, let's demonstrate. Look, the magnet will stick. So, let's see if this Tim & Brown will go through it.
Kayang-kaya dahil meron siyang 18 volts power capacity. So, hindi ka talaga mahihirapan gamitin itong ating Tim & Brown hammer drill.
Correct. The other one, the other material is brick. Now, what's difficult about this is it tends to crumble. So, you want something that offers you precision. Diba? So, try natin. Look at that. It made such a clean cut. Talagang it went straight through.
Exactly. Ako gusto ko siya matry on my own, no, with this kind of brick. Ito yung mga concrete, di ba? Common materials natin sa mga bahay,
Yes,
di ba?
let's see if you can do it by yourself.
Of
Try
course,
nga natin, Mon.
kaya natin because of this Tim & Brown hammer drill.
Try natin.
Okay. Sige. With this,
Galing!
Diba? Sobrang dali lang. Because it is very lightweight. At the same time, meron din siyang LED light
You know
na
what?
kasama. Mas madali mo siya magagamit.
Alam mo, I want to try this for myself. Let's say my DIY project at home. So let us give this a shot. Ako, I'm going to try this screwdriver. Let's see if I can do it myself.
Siyempre naman, walang magiging problema because of this Tim and Brown screwdriver set.
I did it! So ano
Oh.
perfecto? I can make my own picture frame wall! O,
Wow!
diba?
Saktong-sakto talaga. We also tried it dito sa mga iba't ibang mga klase ng materials, gaya ng aluminum, di ba? Ito, alam natin talagang mahirap din siyang gamitin, pero with the hammer drill, wala nang magiging problema pa.
See, galing! Mo,
Diba?
look at that. Look how clean and precise those drills are. So talagang if you want to do this, let's say outside, if you want to add something and do DIY projects, pwede talaga to for you.
Exactly.
Ako, in the bathroom, what makes it so hard is when you try to drill on tiles because it's so delicate, so you need something that doesn't damage it. So try natin itong Tim and Brown.
Wow! So talagang kita mo
Look at
naman,
that! So
very
let's say if I
clean
want- if I-
and talagang very precise yung job at hindi nasira yung tiles.
Exactly! So let's say if I want to put my own towel rack, I don't need to call a handyman. I can do it myself.
By your own na lang talaga.
Speaking of doing it on my own, another thing that I want is, for example, let's say if they're hard to reach places, let's say on the ceiling, with this flexible bit, it allows mobility and ease
So wala
in
ka nang
doing
hindi
it.
ka na mahihirapan kung sakaling hindi mo makita yung mga ilalim na mga kisame, di ba? Ito,
Exactly, like
see.
this one. I simply had to attach it, and
Walang
then I
naging
turned it
mahirap.
on.
Oh, if you're
and
going to put
I put my own curtain rod.
Oh, see?
So alam mo yun, I can say I'm my own home improvement DIY girl.
Kaya-kaya
diba?
mo na kahit mag-isa ka lang.
Exactly.
So you can actually use this hammer drill and screwdriver sets sa lahat ng parte ng inyong bahay.
Exactly. So the great thing about this is you can use it absolutely anywhere. Let's say in the house, if you have tiles like in the bathroom or the kitchen, or let's say if you have marbled areas, even the floor or other rooms, if you have wood, let's say in bedrooms, or if you have, let's say, steel like your gate or the front door, perfect talaga yung Tim and Brown set for this.
Napakagaling talaga at napaka-powerful and very efficient nitong Tim and Brown hammer drill and screwdriver sets that you can get exclusively on Shop TV.
It is a real power drill. Tim and Brown.
So after seeing everything that the Tim and Brown hammer drill set can do, I think you need to get your own today.
Exactly, because for only 5,995 pesos, a Shop TV exclusive price, you can get this Tim and Brown hammer drill set, and we want you to get it kaagad. Kaya naman, we provide 3 easy payments for only 1,998 pesos per month. Pwede mo nang magamit itong ating hammer drill.
At saka ang dami niyang mga parts. You have total of 58 pieces na accessories and meron ka pang free screwdriver from Tim and Brown. O diba? All of that set is
Wow.
5,995 pesos only. So if I were you, I'd pick up the phone and call now 817-7000 to get your very own Tim and Brown hammer drill set today. days when we need to call a handyman to come and help us with our project. Kasi now, I and you can do it all on your own.
Of course, because with Tim and Brown wireless hammer drill set, kayang-kaya mo na talagang mag-DIY dahil ang daming special features itong Tim and Brown hammer drill natin. Una, this is very lightweight, so you can bring it anywhere. At the same time, it has this cordless body, so you don't need to plug it when using. At ayan na, if you're going to compare it with a common hammer drill, talaga na malaki, talagang bulky, this one is really compact, and despite of its smaller size, it still has this lithium-ion 1,500 milliamperes of battery at na talaga namang very powerful and long-lasting. Ito pa, it also has this 18 volts power capacity. Ang maganda pa rito, it has this strong torque with impact functions that has 15 plus 2 adjustable settings. Either you want it drill or hammer mode, di ba? Ito pa ang maganda sa kanya. It also has this integrated LED light. So every time you're using it, merong ilaw so you can use it even in low light areas.
Sa mga dark places.
Dark places. At ito pa, it has these 2 switches ng speed. So, ayan, mas rapid at mas precise yung drilling mo.
Yes.
At it also has this battery indicator. Di ba? You can see kung how much battery pa yung meron itong ating hammer drill. At meron din siyang USB port that you can charge your mobile devices and other gadgets.
Yes, and here on Shop TV, we want to give you more than that. So we are throwing in a free Tim and Brown screwdriver, which has
Wow.
all of the same great features. Unang-una, it's lightweight and compact. Second, meron din siyang lithium-ion battery. Third, meron siyang torque adjustment ring with 15 plus 1 different settings. And then we have here the sleeve chuck. Now, as you can see, this is very safe, so you can secure your bolts, your bits, your screws, and you won't get hurt. Tas meron pa siyang twistable movement. So you can choose basically what position you want. Here's parang safety gun, or if you're more comfortable with a straight position, pwede din.
Ay, ang galing.
Oh, galing, diba? At the great thing about it is, for those hard-to-reach places, we have a flexible bit. Now, what does this do? You can move it around so you can reach mga corners, mga crevices, yung mga hard-to-reach areas. At another great safety feature about this is, meron siyang integrated light. Now, as you can see, when you use it,
Na
you have a
LED
light
pa,
here.
ha?
Yes, LED, correct. And you have a working flashlight. So,
Ang
talagang ang daming
galing.
features niya.
So guys, you can get this Tim and Brown screwdriver set as a freebie, and of course, with this Tim and Brown hammer drill set for a Shop TV exclusive price of 5,995 pesos only. And because we want you to get this already, we offer it for 3 easy payments for only 1,998 pesos per month. You can get all of these accessories.
Yes, and now here also we have Mr. Tim to demonstrate to us exactly the features of this Tim and Brown set. Hello again, Mr. Tim.
Ayan, at least we can see saan ba pwedeng magamit itong ating mga hammer drill and yung screwdriver. So we have here an alloy steel kind of material.
Now,
na
as you
talaga
can see,
namang-
talagang matibay siya, so mahirap to. It's so hard to work with this,
Nako,
diba? Are we
walang
sure it's
mahirap
gonna work?
dito sa ating hammer drill. Sa Tim and
Excited
Brown
ako to
hammer
see
drill,
it.
because of its strong torque with impact functions, kayang-kaya niya talaga ma-penetrate even the hardest
Oh
material.
my goodness!
Just like this one na mga rim ng tire wires, di ba?
Ang dali, diba? And
Tire
talking
wheels
about
pala.
hard materials, here we have steel now. As you can see, talagang matibay to. So let's see if Tim and Brown will work on it. Let's say if you want to put another doorknob or another door stopper. Oh, perfect.
Walang
so
naging
easy.
kahirap-hirap dahil it has this
Talaga.
18 volts power capacity. Ako, I
Yes.
want to try it by myself with
Okay,
this
let's
brick,
see, Mon.
di ba?
Let us see if you can be your own DIY.
Of course, kayang-kaya with this Tim and Brown na talaga namang very lightweight. Okay, let's try
Okay,
this one.
Let's try this. Let's see. Galing!
Diba?
Look
Walang
at
kahirap-hirap.
that!
Meron din siyang LED light para madali mo makita yung ginagawa mo.
Oo, alam mo, I want to try this for myself. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the screwdriver, and let's see how simple it is na kahit anyone at home can use this.
Wow!
Look at that!
Para ka naglalaro
Ako,
lang.
I did it myself, and
Oo.
all you have to do is put your picture frame there. Meron ka ng Picture
Oh,
frame? Wow!
Ang cute-cute naman
Cute,
niya, di ba?
si baby, o di ba?
Ito pa ang maganda.
Family
You can actually
members.
use this hammer drill even sa mga bats, di ba? Ito,
Aluminum, sobrang
aluminum
matibay
talaga
yan,
yung
matigas
material
siya.
nito. Pero akala mo ba hindi kaya? But with this,
Let's see if it can penetrate through this. With its torque feature, it really penetrates through the most difficult materials. The strength of the Tim and Brown is really something else. Even this very, very sturdy material na you think is impossible, that you have to call a handyman.
di na. Kahit
Di
ikaw
na.
lang, kayang-kaya mo nang gamitin. Ito ang ating hammer drill ng Tim and Brown.
Yes, and here we have tiles for like the bathroom or the kitchen. So you need something that's very portable so that you have free movement to use it. And
Oo,
look at
di ba?
that, it's so precise. And that
Very
is because...
clean yung job mo dito.
Exactly.
At hindi
And
naman hindi nasira yung tiles natin. Kasi yun yung isang concern mo pag nag-drill ka sa mga tiles, baka
Oo,
masira.
kasi
But
sobrang
with this one,
delicate.
wow, really precise yung job mo.
At saka here, a lot of times you have mga DIY furniture and you have to call somebody else to help you. But no, if you have your own screwdriver with this Tim and Brown screwdriver set, plus meron siyang
Flexible na ano.
end, all you have to do is attach it and you can do it
Wow!
yourself.
Walang kahirap-hirap. Kahit ikaw mag-isa, you can do it because it will make your life convenient talaga with this hammer drill and with this screwdriver.
Yeah, exactly. I did it myself. And the great thing about this Tim and Brown set is it's you can use it anywhere. Talagang multi-purpose siya. You
Lahat.
can use it in the kitchen or the bathroom where you have tiles,
Tiles?
or you can use it in marbled areas. So let's say different bedrooms of the house or the floors. And then you have the wooden areas. So let's say family bedroom or bedrooms kahit saan. And even steel. So let's talk about gates, doors, absolutely anywhere. You are sure that Tim and Brown will work for you.
Kaya naman super efficient, super talagang powerful nitong Tim and Brown hammer drill and screwdriver sets that you can get, of course, exclusively only on Shop TV.
It is a real power drill.
Nako, ang galing-galing talaga ng Tim and Brown hammer drill set. I'm so excited to share this with you. So call now 817-7000 to get your very own Tim and Brown hammer drill set today.
And we offer it for a Shop TV exclusive price of 5,995 pesos only. At dahil gusto namin makuha mo kagad ito, we offer it for 3 easy payments for only 1,998 pesos per month.
Yes, so what comes to that? You get all of these accessories. These are total of 58 pieces. Plus, meron ka pang free Tim and Brown screwdriver set with its own set of accessories. Now again, all of that for 5,995 pesos. So if I were you, I would pick up the phone and call now 817-7000, or you can visit us online. That's www.shoptv.com.ph, or you can even check out our socials. That's Facebook and Instagram at ShopTVPH.
So thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is Mon Gualvez.
And I am Janina Van Hoven.
And we hope to see you again next time only here on Shop TV.